Welcome to ISE's Equity Index Weekly Outlook, a weekly outlook on ISE and other industry indexes, hosted by Patrick Ceresna, a derivative market specialist and investment manager with extensive expertise in options and the broader derivative markets. ISE trades options on more than 15 proprietary sector indexes, as well as broad-based indexes and a variety of licensed benchmarks. ISE continually enhances its trading systems and develops new index options products to provide investors with the best marketplace and investment tools to trade smarter.
Hello and welcome to the ISE Equity Index Outlook for January 10th, 2011. This is Patrick Ceresna. As always, I start off with a chart of the S&P 500 using that SPDR exchange traded fund symbol SPY. We had a substantial rally off of that flagging formation that we initially saw breaking out back at the beginning of December. Essentially, we had now a rally that has broken above that 25-26 focal point. We were suggesting that the next major support resistance was at the 29.30 level on the upside, but there was room for the market to reverse even within this 27.28 area right in here. We've got a couple of stalling candles in here, so Monday and Tuesday are going to be really a make it or break it period. There really is no major economic news coming out at the early part of the week, and so if there's follow through selling that breaks down below that 25 level on the downside, it would really open the window for a deeper correction all the way back down to 22.23. But so long as the bulls can dig in and actually maintain the price action within here, we could still see one more push to finish that move up to that 29.30 level on the upside. Next here, I want to take a look at the ISE US Regional Banks Index, which is a symbol JLO. We more or less had a very bullish breakout above the 25 level here, but we are finishing a measured move, so there are some reversal candles coming in off of this zone. Will be very interesting if the bulls can actually maintain the support line right where we saw that shadow of the last candle come in. There's still a chance that they could reverse this and try a gun for 26.50 on the upside. But if the bears can follow through below 24.50, then it will mark a reversal point where there'll be some backfilling on these regional banks. Next here, I want to take a look at the ISE Syndex, which is symbol SIN. This is an index of all the casino, tobacco, and distiller companies. Essentially, we had the last week or two consolidating above the 33 level. We now have actually beat above the 35. We have a focal point up in the 136 to 138 level, and we actually do not believe that the Syndex will have the strength to really have any proper conviction above there. So we're very close to what we believe some important highs on the Syndex, but that's not stopping it from adding a few more points, and it doesn't necessarily mean it has to reverse this week. But at this stage, we think the risk reward of remaining long the Syndex is marginal at best. Next year, I want to take a look at the ISE Home Builders Index, which is a symbol RUF, and the home builders had a very strong rally last week. We had a nice little flagging formation that developed right under the $10 area and a very bullish breakout that actually finishes a measured move right in here. But the next support resistance up above lies somewhere in that $10.80 to $11 area on the upside. So there could still be a follow through of even another 20-30 cents on the upside, but we'll be looking for that overhead resistance up there to come right in there. Next year, I want to take a look at the ISE Natural Gas Index, which is symbol FUM. More or less, we were talking about this flag, little triangle style formation that occurred down in this 108 level. We're saying that so long as there was a bullish breakout, that we could see follow through all the way up into that 117, 119 area. But we were saying that beyond there being a consolidation point, there are some measured moves that even target move as high as even the 125, 130 area. We're now seeing a little bit of consolidation. If for whatever reason this week we see the natural gas index break to a higher high above the 121, it would really open that window for it to follow through up to the 125 level, at least at minimum. We again, just like all of the markets, think everything is a little bit long in the tooth, but that doesn't mean that it can't continue to rally in the early part of this week, even going into the full week before we start seeing the reversal pattern. So we're just at this stage of a position where we're still respecting the trend higher, but looking for where the tops will come in. Finally, I want to take a look at that ISE Mini FTSE 100 index, which is the symbol UKX. And we had last week a nice bullish pop higher based on all the global markets rising. We've had our target all along from this flag was up in this 600 to 620. So we continue to see reversal patterns in there. Just like a lot of the other markets, there's nothing stopping the FTSE from getting right back to that 610 or even gunning for 620 on the upside. But we don't believe that we will see that 630, 640 area on the upside until after we have a proper consolidation and then a reversal back up. So right now we are more or less considering the moves higher on the FTSE to be more or less complete. That was your ISE Equity Index Outlook. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you for participating in this week's session. Please join us again next week. For more information about Patrick Ceresna and to sign up for free index options trade alerts, visit www.optionsource.net. To learn more about ISE index options, visit us at www.ise.com/indexoptions.